the truth.
And what is up guys, Nitros here, and today, I know it's been a while since I've uploaded a vlog. It's been a month or a few months, I'm not sure. I know that it's just been a while general, so I'm just gonna go straight to the point. I've pre-ordered Far Cry 5 on PS4, and now I've gotten it, which is right here, the Deluxe Edition by Ubisoft. So, since I pre-ordered this, I've gotten corresponding freebies, I would say, to accompany this. So I'll just show this off. So first of all, I got this sweet t-shirt. I'll just show this off. Get it out of the plastic here. Put that aside. So it's a sweet gray shirt. It's in frame. It says the Father shirt. The Father is one of the main villains in Far Cry 5. I haven't played it yet, but he's also right here in the cover. That's him right there, the Father. It's gonna give you guys another look. So here's the front. Right here, this sweet shirt. Hopefully it fits me. So it just says the Father, and then also right here on the sleeve, Far Cry 5. I'm gonna make that fit right there. And there's nothing on the back. It's just like plain gray. It's good color though. I like the color. Moving on, I also have this sweet poster, by the way. It's a really good big poster. I don't think I'll put it in frame. There we go. This says Far Cry 5. This is one of the official game posters. It's just the Father. Wait, there is the Father, and then a few other characters that I don't know the names of. So right here, it's sweet. What does this say? This is www.farcrygame.com, and then it just says the big old Far Cry 5 right here. I roll that up. Moving on, I also got the main game itself. So let's just unbox this. Let me just take off the plastic. Here we go. Alrighty, right here. Here's the game itself. It is in a case. Main game itself and some bonus content. So right here again, Deluxe Edition and Far Cry 5 with the Father on the cover. So let's start off with the contents. Just let me read this. The Deluxe Edition includes the digital Deluxe pack, which is the Big Hunter pack, an Ace Pilot pack, along with a signature ARC rifle and a signature .44 Magnum handgun, plus Chaos pack and Explosive pack, by the way. And also the physical content, which I guess is this part, this blue piece here. A Hope County map. Hope County is the area where the setting of the game itself, and the original soundtrack on what looks to be Blu-ray. So let's start off. Let's just take this out. So we have the game itself. I don't think I'll be able to show gameplay right now. So it's just like a flat edition of just this. Same cover. Okay, wait, I'm gonna just take that piece off later. Now, here on to the original, the good part, the cool part. So this is the symbol of the cult of the apocalypse, whatever. It's just the symbol of the Father's cult. It's like some messed up religion here. It's depicted as, some sort of like parallel to Christianity, I think, based on like the footage I've seen from other YouTubers. So let's take a peek at this. So just take that off here. Okay. Whoa. Okay, I'm just gonna adjust myself here. So let's start off with. Okay, let's start with the contents first. This is the Hope County soundtrack right here. Far Cry 5. The game soundtrack, here's just a list. So there's a total of 19 songs, starting from the song called The Resistance to number 19, Sunrise on the Soldiers. Yeah, I don't think it's just like a disc in here. Here is the other piece. It is a Hope County map. So instead of, by the way, note, just a random note on here. Aside from other Far Cry, other Far Cry games, this Far Cry 5 will no longer feature a mini map. That little map icon thing that shows you where you are in the corner. According to the developers, they will no longer add that in Far Cry 5. That's why they have this big map. It says little notes here. What does this say? Joseph's Compound, number 1, the Convent Outpost, number 2, Elk Jaw's Lodge, number 3, McKinley Dam, so on and so forth. These are just cool memorabilia. So let's just unfold this. So this is the whole this is the whole game map here. That is cool. Let me just do that. It's a whole game map right there. I can see the words Whitetail Mountains, Henbane River, and Holland Valley. That is cool. And then on the flip side, this just says Hope County, Montana. That is cool. So just like another poster, setting the one that I already have, the big one. And by the way, guys, I am a big fan of the Far Cry franchise. I haven't told you this, but for those who don't know, who are real old members of the Nitros Army, you guys probably know that my first channel was a gaming channel. I already cringe just by mentioning it. So it was called Nitros Gamer back then. I no longer affiliate myself with my old channel. It's dead now. I hope it stays dead. I used to do Minecraft content and Tekken content and other PS4 games in general. So once again, this has been the deluxe pack of Far Cry 5 with the appropriate deluxe edition, with the physical content, the add-ons, the cool map, and the soundtrack, which I will definitely take a listen to in my spare time. And as long with the game itself, the sweet t-shirt right here. Once again, the father shirt. I am gonna love this shirt. I'm gonna wear that in ToyCon. The next ToyCon 2018, by the way, I'm gonna talk about that later. And also the poster. And also, by the way, a free deal. By the way, I'm gonna cover up the code so that none of you will just like see that. Here's since I pre-ordered it, it also came with a DLC. Okay, I'm gonna wrap this up. So ToyCon 2018 June. It's gonna no confirmed date yet. It's gonna be in June. I'm gonna vlog again, and I'm still gonna wear this shirt hopefully. If I do not cosplay, I'm not sure. Also, massive shout out to N&Vlogs. She's a friend of mine who's just starting out her vlogging, her career like her vlogging journey, and I'm currently just giving her tips and just some pointers on how to just properly vlog and not not be boring towards your viewers. Okay, this is the second time I've said this, but once again, this has been the deluxe pack of Far Cry 5, and I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. There will be more videos to come. I promise I won't be as late in uploading as I am now, so don't worry, guys. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video, subscribe, and also just swipe the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I make a video. Anyway, guys, I've been Nitros, and bye!